Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my fourth lesson of D3 chapter number 1 exercise 1D, that is about application of quadratic equation in real world. In this lesson I will solve question number 8. Let's read the question first. It's really important to read and underline and understand important terms of the question. Question says a wire of length 200 centimeter is cut in two parts and each part is bent to form a square. If the area of larger square is 9 times the area of smaller square, find the perimeter of larger square. Before going to the lesson, it's really important to understand the terms of the question. The question is about that a wire of length 200 centimeter, that when we will be using this wire 200 centimeter, we are going to make two squares of different sizes. So this wire will become actually the perimeter of the square. So we should have the graphs on the formulas of area and perimeter. Perimeter of square is equal to 4L and area is L square. Now coming to the question, what we have to do is we have to assume that how much wire we are going to use for making one square. Let's suppose that length of one side, length of one side of small square or is x centimeter, or the wire used for making one side of small square is x centimeter, then the area will be equal to L square and length is x, so it will become x square. Now we have to read the second condition of the question, that area of larger square is 9 times the area of smaller square. Area according to condition area of larger square equals to 9 times the area of smaller square. Area of smaller square, and we know that area of the small square is x square, so the area of larger square will be 9 times x square. Now we have the expression for the area of small square, that is x square, and area of large square, that is 9x square. With the help of this area, I can find the length of one side of this square, this larger square. So what I will be doing, length of one side of larger square, what we have to do is to get the length, as this is the answer for the area, which is equal to 9x square. So in order to, an area is the square of the length, L square equals to 9x square. What I have to do, I have to take the square root on both sides and it will become 3x whole square. And in order to get the length, I have to take the square root on both sides, and my answer will become L equals to plus minus 3x. As this is the length, so my accepted answer will be 3x. We are not going to take L equals to minus 3x. We are not going to accept this answer because length will not be negative. So coming to the question, the second part says that we are using the 200 centimeter wire, means that 200 centimeter is the perimeter of these two squares. So according to this condition, perimeter of the smaller square will be 4x, and perimeter of, or total perimeter will be 4x plus 4 into, as the larger square has the length of one side 3x, 4 into 3x, and that will become 4x plus 12x, which is equal to 16x. Now this is the total wire in form of the letter x, and the total wire in the question is 200 centimeter. So 16x will be equated by 200, and then in order to get value of x, what I have to do, I have to divide 200 by 16, and x equals to 200 divided by 16, and x will be equal to 12.5. So answer of x, that is the length of one side of the small square, is 12.5. Now the question says that find the perimeter of larger square. For the perimeter of larger square, what we have to do is, we know that the total wire used for making larger square is 12x. So instead of x, what I will be doing, I will be replacing 12.5, that is the length. So 12 multiplied by 12.5 will give me 150 centimeter. So the perimeter of larger square is perimeter of larger square 150 centimeter. 150 centimeter. I hope you are clear about this question. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.